Imagine the taste sensation when your two culinary favourites, a juicy burger and a heavenly pizza, unite in a protein-packed, low-carb recipe. It's like that thrill when you find the scoop sitting right on top of a brand new tub of protein, but even better. Packed with two different types of mince, crispy bacon and a delicious blanket of cheese, this recipe delivers an explosion of flavours, making it the ultimate high-protein feast.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome back to my high-protein kitchen. The Meatza is basically a giant burger topped like a pizza. What's not to like? It's really easy to make, you can play around with the different toppings, the whole family are sure to like it, and it's probably the most meatiest, epic meat feast that you'll likely cook in your kitchen. Right, let's cook it. So as with all recipes, I suggest we do our prep at the beginning rather than as we go. It just makes it much easier. 2 onions, we're using 1 for the base and 1 for the topping. And for other toppings, we're going to use a red pepper and a green pepper and 6 bacon medallions. If you can't get a pack of bacon medallions, just buy a normal pack of back bacon and remove the fatty bits. I use smoked bacon, I think it tastes better. Then you're going to heat a frying pan on a low to medium heat and fry 1 of the onions. Just 1 of them at this stage, leave the other one where it is, and fry that for about 5 minutes until it's cooked and golden brown. At this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could hit that like button. It really does help me out with the channel and means more people are likely to see my videos, so thanks in advance. Anyway, once that first onion is cooked, add it to a large mixing bowl. Then we're going to add the other ingredients for our giant burger base, because essentially that's what a meatza is. We're going to use a teaspoon of mixed herbs along with 50 grams of oats. Oats aren't just a filler, they're really there to hold moisture in it. Add an egg, that helps them to bind things, and we're using 2 different types of mince, just like you would in a traditional bolognese. We're using lean pork mince and lean beef mince. So get your hands stuck in, mix all that through. You could blend it in a food processor if you wanted, but it's easier just getting your hands stuck in. And then tip all of that mixture out onto a baking tray. There's no need to grease it or line it, it should just be fine, it won't stick because some of the moisture will come out from the meat as it cooks. And flatten it out so it's about 2 to 3 centimeters and has a nice edge. I don't know why I do that, that's just a bit of a perfectionist. And then pop it in an oven for 15 minutes at about 230. While the meatza base is cooking, you're going to fry off that other onion, the 2 peppers and the bacon medallions. Just like a normal pizza, you can be really versatile with the toppings you use. So if you don't want to use onions, peppers and bacon like I'm doing, you can use whatever else you want, but I think this combo works really well. Once the meatza is ready, drain off any excess liquid and then use some pizza topper. I'm using tomato-based kind, but you get these barbecue pizza toppers as well, which are quite tasty. Anyway, spread that out on top, again, just like you would with making a homemade pizza. And then tip out the contents of the frying pan. So like I said, we're using the bacon, onions and peppers, but you might use your own thing, just be a free spirit. And then top that with, I'm using lighter cheddar cheese. I find it goes a long way and it really keeps the calories down, but if you're not really caring about the calories, you could easily use mozzarella. And then pop that under the grill for about 5 minutes until the cheese has melted, and boom, would you look at that. It is so good. I bet you're dying to get stuck into it now. So there we have it, delicious high protein meatza. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure to click subscribe, because then it means you'll get notified as soon as I post another high protein recipe, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this meatza. Anyway, I'm off to go and eat it. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.